So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 driver install. Open any browser, search like that, okay, and right click to new tab. You can see this guys. You can also come to this. This is officially website support pcsupport.lenovo.com and scroll down. If you select the last 30 days, 60 days, and like that, okay, so click to camera, scroll down, camera driver, just click to download. Single click to setup, then click to yes, okay, next, I accept, next. Do not extract, you just install it directly, okay. Install it. Now this is installed in the camera driver. Okay, and then click to okay and then finish it.